has emerged as a formidable military power, building an arsenal that commands respect across the Middle East and beyond. Despite sanctions and isolation, Iran's domestic arms industry has produced cutting-edge weapons, from hypersonic missiles to stealth warships, showcasing its ingenuity and resolve. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 powerful weapons in Iran's military arsenal, highlighting the systems that make Iran a force to be reckoned with. Get ready for an in-depth look at Tehran's most advanced firepower. Let's dive in. Number 5. Bavar 373 Air Defense System. The Bavar 373, Iran's homegrown long-range air defense system, is a testament to its ability to rival global powers like Russia. Capable of engaging multiple targets at ranges up to 300 kilometers and altitudes of 27 kilometers, it uses the Mirage 4 phased array radar to detect up to 100 targets, including stealth aircraft, and track them with precision. Its Shahed 4 missiles are highly maneuverable, countering fighter jets, drones, and ballistic missiles. Unveiled in 2019, the system reportedly downed a US Global Hawk drone, proving its effectiveness against advanced Western technology. With mobility and anti-jamming features, it protects Iran's key military and nuclear sites, forming a robust shield against aerial threats. The Bavar 373's indigenous design ensures self-reliance, making it a cornerstone of Iran's defense strategy and a powerful deterrent that challenges even the most sophisticated adversaries. Number 4. Shahed 149 Gaza Drone. The Shahed 149 Gaza drone, a symbol of Iran's drone warfare dominance, is a long-range, stealth-capable UAV designed for both reconnaissance and precision strikes. With a 2,000-kilometer range, 35-hour flight endurance, and a 500-kilogram payload, it carries Qassem and Almas precision-guided munitions. Powered by a turbofan engine, it cruises at 35,000 feet, leveraging its low observable design to evade radar detection. Capable of autonomous or swarm operations, it can strike targets across the Middle East, including Israel and US bases. Iran's export of similar drones to allies like the Houthis and Hezbollah amplifies its regional influence, as seen in conflicts like Yemen. The Shahed 149's cost-effectiveness, versatility, and stealth features make it a deadly platform, rivaling Western drones like the MQ-9 Reaper and extending Iran's reach in asymmetric warfare. Number 3. Cororumshar 4 Ballistic Missile. The Cororumshar 4 ballistic missile is a heavy-hitting weapon that underscores Iran's missile supremacy in the Middle East. Boasting a 2,000-kilometer range and a 1,800-kilogram warhead, this liquid-fueled missile can target Israel, US bases in the Gulf, and parts of Eastern Europe. Its maneuverable re-entry vehicle, MRV, evades missile defenses, with recent upgrades improving accuracy to within 300 meters. Part of Iran's vast ballistic missile arsenal, over 3,000 strong, it was used in retaliatory strikes, like the 2020 attack on US bases in Iraq after General Qasem Soleimani's killing. Its potential to carry multiple warheads or heavy conventional payloads and unverified claims of nuclear capability heighten its threat level. The Cororumshar 4's range, payload, and evasion capabilities make it a powerful deterrent, ensuring Iran can deliver devastating counterstrikes against any aggressor. Number 2. Fateh-1 Hypersonic Missile. The Fateh-1, unveiled in 2023, is Iran's so-called hypersonic missile, a breakthrough that challenges advanced missile defense systems. Traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, 6 to 100 kilometers per hour, with a 1,400 kilometer range, it features a maneuverable re-entry vehicle with a solid rocket motor, allowing mid-flight trajectory adjustments to dodge interceptors. Iran claims it can carry conventional or nuclear-capable warheads, though the latter remains unconfirmed. Used in the October 2024 attack on Israel alongside other ballistic missiles, its speed and maneuverability make it nearly impossible to intercept, even by systems like Israel's Arrow or US Aegis. Number 1.
Some debate
Sahand
its
destroyer.
true hypersonic
Topping our list
status
is
due
the
to
Sahand,
lacking
Iran's most
cruise
advanced
features,
Moji-class
the
destroyer,
Fata-1's
a
cutting-edge
stealth-oriented
technology
warship that
and
embodies
abilities
the
to strike
nation's high-value
naval
targets
ambitions.
with precision.
This
position.
96-meter,
as a
2,000-ton
game-changer,
vessel is
showcasing Iran's ambition to compete with global powers in missile warfare.
A
Number 1.
76
Sahand destroyer.
Fajr
Topping our list is
naval
the
gun and
Sahand,
40
Iran's most
mm
advanced
anti-aircraft
Moji-class
gun,
destroyer,
supported
a
by
stealth-oriented
phased array
warship
radars
that
and
embodies
bodies
the
tracking
nation's
systems
naval
that engage
ambitions.
multiple surface
This
and aerial
96-meter
targets simultaneously.
2,000-ton vessel is
Its
armed
electronic
with
warfare
cruise
suite,
missiles,
jam and
120
deceive threats,
300
while a
kilometer
helicopter
range,
deck,
a 76
UAV
mm
integration,
Fajr
27 naval gun, and anti-submarine capability aircraft guns. Supported by phased array radars and escort tracking systems and hybrid warfare, multiple surface and aerial targets simultaneously, Russia and China. Its electronic warfare naval reach jam and Gulf and threats, while a helicopter deck and UAV turbine integration enhanced operations and anti-submarine missile-based air defense make it a versatile for oceanic missions, escort duties, and hybrid warfare. Sahand has joined rivals with Russia and China, cementing Iran's status as an emerging maritime power. Its stealth
Before we
design,
close, let's highlight a few other
standout
systems in Iran's arsenal.
And Sayad missile-based air defense
ballistic
make it a
missile,
versatile,
solid
powerful
fueled
platform
missile with a 2,000
by
kilometers
Iran's
range.
naval
Its
industries.
mobility and quick
Sahand
launch
rivals
time
modern
make it a
Western
stealthy
destroyers,
threat,
cementing Iran's
Goddard
status as an
anti-ship
emerging
missile,
maritime power.
deployed on coastal
Before
patrol
we close,
boats.
let's
This
highlight a
300
few other
kilometers
standout
range
systems in
missile
Iran's
targets
arsenal.
enemy warships,
Sahand
safeguarding the
ballistic
missile,
missile,
a solid
moves.
fueled missile with a 2,000 kilometers
6
range.
drone.
Its mobility
A
and quick
multi-role
launch
UAV
time make it a
with
precision-guided
threat.
munitions.
It
Goddard
excels in
anti-ship
surveillance and
missile
strikes,
deployed on
bolstering
coastal
Iran's
patrol
asymmetric
boats. This
capabilities.
300 kilometers range missile
These
targets
weapons
enemy
further
warships,
demonstrate Iran's
safeguarding
diverse
the
and
Strait
innovative
of
military
Hormuz.
technology. Iran's top weapons
6
reflect
drone.
a strategy of
A
deterrence
multi-role
and asymmetric
UAV with
warfare
precision-guided
designed to
munitions.
counter
It
technologically
excels in
superior
surveillance and
adversaries
strikes,
like the
bolstering
US and
Iran's
Israel.
asymmetric capability.
With over 3,000 ballistic
These
missiles,
weapons further
the largest
demonstrate
arsenal
Iran's
in the Middle
diverse
East,
and innovative
Iran
military
can
technology.
overwhelm enemy defenses.
Iran's top
weapons reflect
naval
a strategy
assets
of
like
deterrence
Sahand
and
and air
asymmetric
defense systems
warfare,
like Bavar
designed to counter
373
technologically
protect its homeland,
superior adversaries
while drones
like the
and missiles
US and
extend its
Israel.
influence through proxies
With
like
over
Hezbollah and the
3,000
Houthis.
ballistic missiles, the largest
Sanctions have
arsenal
driven
in the
Iran
Middle
to
East,
build a
Iran
self-reliant
can
arms
overwhelm
industry,
enemy defenses,
producing everything from missiles to
naval
warships
assets like
domestically.
Sahand and air defense systems
By
like
exporting
Bavar
technology to
373
allies,
protect its
Iran
homeland,
amplifies
while
its
drones and
regional
missiles
clout,
extend its influence
reshaping
through
the Middle
proxies
East
like Hezbollah
security
and the
landscape.
Houthis.
From the
Sanctions
stealthy
have driven
Sahand
Iran to build
destroyer
a
to the
self-reliant
lightning
arms
fast
industry,
Bata-1 missile,
producing
Iran's
everything from
military
missiles to
arsenal
warships
is a remarkable blend of innovation
by
and
exporting
resilience.
technology to allies.
The Cororumshar
Iran
4
amplifies
Shahed
its regional
149
clout,
Gaza,
reshaping
and
the Middle
Bavar
East
373
security landscape.
further showcase a nation that
From
has
the
turned
stealthy
challenges
Sahand
into
destroyer
strength.
to the lightning-fast Bata-1
As Iran
missile,
advances with
Iran's
projects
military
like the
arsenal
Zulfikar
is a
destroyer
remarkable
and
blend of
next-generation
innovation
missiles
and
Its
resilience.
influence as a regional
The
and global
Cororumshar
player
4
will only grow.
Shahed 149 Gaza.
Which weapon
and
on this
Bavar
list impressed you the most?
373
Further
Share your
showcase
thoughts
a
in the
nation
comments
that has
below.
turned challenges
Let's spark
into
discussions.
strength.
If you
As
enjoyed this
Iran
breakdown,
advances with
hit that
projects
like
like
button,
the Zulfikar
subscribe, and
destroyer
ring the bell
and
for
next
more
generation
deep dives
missiles.
into military
Its
tech.
influence
Thanks
as
for
a
watching,
regional
and
and
catch you
global
in the
player
next
will
video.
only grow. Which weapon on this list impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a discussion. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into military tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.